It is currently 11:45 at night, way past my bedtime. I literally never go to sleep late. I'm looking crazy. Honestly, I haven't washed my hair in the longest time actually, so it needs to be washed. My bed sheets are in the laundry right now, so I'm trying to wash those. I'm honestly trying to get things done. Basically right now I'm gonna wash my hair, finish my bedsheet laundry. Tomorrow I'll have to do my actual clothes laundry. And then I wrote this all down so you guys can kind of see what the plans are. Do my hair most likely tomorrow because I definitely don't have time for that. I want to study a little bit just because I completed my first week at college. So do that, and then I really want to bake something because I started baking a little bit more recently. So definitely want to do that. I work out Monday through Friday and I actually missed a day, so I worked out today, which is Saturday. So that means tomorrow I'm probably not gonna work out. I just accomplished being able to do a pull-up. So exciting. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start the shower right now. So welcome to this vlog. Thank you for tuning in. I have been pushing a lot of college content recently because I am a new college student that started very late in her game. Thank you to all the new subscribers recently. But yeah guys, it's so late, so let me go ahead and just start getting ready to go to sleep. While the shower's heating up, I just want to show everybody that I can finally do a pull-up. Shout out to my boyfriend for showing me. I already did like 2, not back to back. I haven't been able to do any back to back, but I can do them pretty easily, at least one. Hopefully I don't look like a fool. I was struggling with that one, but I can still do it. And before I get in the shower, I have to take off my lashes, so don't be scared when you guys see me without my lashes because my lashes are everything to me, and I feel like it just makes my face, but that might just be me. I don't know. I know there's a lot of girlies out there that feel the same way as me. Ow. Okay, so I have these pore strips that I'm going to use. I'm going to take out my contacts and I'm probably just going to moisturize after, because after that shower I'm feeling very much sleepy, but I haven't done this in a while, so I think I'm just going to do one really quick. I'm going to leave this on for 10 minutes. Morning guys, it is the next day. I probably look really tired, really crazy right now, but I'm going to do my makeup really quick and then I'll probably do my hair. I think I'm gonna curl it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup really quick, and I'm probably gonna do that off camera just because I feel like I do my makeup so much in like every vlog. So makeup is done. I didn't do like anything crazy, just like my normal routine. My boyfriend's telling me to just leave my hair like this, but I'm like, if I can do my hair right now and then have it a certain way for a few days, because then I know I'm gonna have to do it at some point later in the week. So my hair is done. I just need to brush it out, but I kind of don't want to brush it out, but I need to. It's looking so cute. Okay, cute. It's giving cute, guys. I'm gonna change right now. I am gonna wear these blue jeans. And I'm gonna wear this top that I got from TikTok shop. Super cute, and I think it's gonna go well together. And then we're gonna go ahead and start on my laundry. Let's go ahead and start on my laundry. I have a lot. I'm trying to get all the things I need done before my school/work week. So right now I'm just gonna separate my clothes, and then I'm gonna start putting them in the laundry. We have a lot to do today, and I'm trying to get this out of the way. I really hate doing my laundry. I'm gonna try and run through this really quickly. While we're doing the laundry and everything, I have to go to the grocery store because we kind of ate everything. So we need to get some things. I also want to get some stuff to bake later. I ran out of all of the stuff that I usually make for banana bread.
Bro, please don't make it again.
Andrew doesn't want me to make banana bread again, but I love it so much, so I might make it again, but I might make something different this time. We'll see. We'll do it for the vlog. But yeah, so right now we're gonna go to the grocery store and I will see you there. One of my friends just invited me to her house and it sounds like they're gonna have fun, so I'm trying to go. But I will be continuing this vlog. I'm gonna put the groceries up and I'm going to put the laundry in the dryer. I'm gonna start getting ready to go. But I will be back because I'm not gonna be staying like crazy long. But yeah, stay tuned. Okay guys, so I am back home. I'm in different clothes now, but I am ready to bake. We are gonna bake an orange lemon loaf or an orange loaf. I don't know. I saw this recipe on YouTube and I'm really excited to try it because it looks really good and Andrew's been craving orange baked something. I'm gonna help him out. We just lit a candle. It smells so good. We got it from the grocery store and it's like amazing. If you guys ever want to try this recipe, I'm going off of the Preppy Kitchen amazing orange cake recipe, quick and easy. I take a lot of my recipes from him and they're really good. So I have faith that this is gonna come out looking and tasting very good. Okay, so I just finished the batter. So we're gonna place that in here. I just buttered this. I'm gonna put that in here. It smells so good. And then I also got some cranberries to put in there. So I'm gonna take some of these and then I'm going to kind of cut them up a little bit and then put it in the batter and then pour it in here. doesn't look the most appetizing in here, but it smells so good and I just know it's gonna be so good. I'm going to put this in the oven and then we're gonna start on making the frosting for it. So that's in the oven. I have class tomorrow, so I'm gonna go ahead and pack all of my things. I just got my calculator from Target, finally, because I was supposed to get it last week. But I just got a regular scientific calculator. Not cute at all, unfortunately, but gets the job done, so that's all we care about. I didn't realize how much paperwork gets passed around instead of using a notebook. So I just got a whole bunch of notebooks when I'm really doing so much work on these worksheets. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in here. And then I have these papers in here. So I got these 5-star folders. That's perfect. And then I got another one just in case. I'm gonna put that in the backpack. That's gonna go in there. These are gonna go in there. My laptop is gonna go in there. And that's pretty much it. I just need to put my keys in my wallet because I do not have time to be carrying a purse and a backpack at the same time. I'll be done packing for my work/school schedule. It's definitely an adjustment because I have to go to work, and from work I go to class, and then from class I go home, and then I have stuff to do at home, so it's a lot, but I'm making it work. I really just need to get used to it. I'm sure it'll become part of my routine very, very quickly. But honestly, first week of school was pretty good. And then I also have some online courses, which I've realized I'm not that into them just because it's online. I realized like I'm more invested in the classes that I'm taking in person, which makes sense, but I still want to make sure that I'm on top of all of my things. So if you guys have any advice about that, you can leave them down below if you're doing in person and online. Or do you guys even feel the same way? Like, am I the only person that's like not as invested into their online courses as much as they are in their in-person classes? Let me know down below. It is finally done. This is how it looks like. I already put the glaze on it. I feel like it's gonna taste very, very orangey. So I'm gonna do a little taste test with
hot.
Really good though. It kind of tastes like Fruity Pebbles. Anyways guys, 10 out of 10. Recommend. Alright guys, so I think I'm gonna cut the vlog here. I kind of had more planned, but I feel like I filmed so much already, so I feel like if I film any more, this vlog is just gonna get like way over time. I'm gonna cut the vlog here. Thank you guys for joining me. I feel like I did so much today, and it's like about to be 11 and I have work and school this week, so I'm gonna try and get to bed as soon as possible. I just put my last load of laundry in the dryer, so that's good. But yeah guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for all the new subscribers. Don't forget to like this video so that other people can see it, and subscribe if you like content like this, and comment down below any questions or thoughts that you might have. I will be very happy to read them and reply to them. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.